In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed forms on your website with HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to grab your embed code in HubSpot and how to place it on your site so submissions flow straight into your CRM. Start in your HubSpot account and open the user guide area. From there, you'll be able to access the tools you need without hunting through menus. Once you're in, look for the Forms tool. This is where all of your existing forms live. If you already have a form built, great, you're ready to embed it. If not, make sure you create and save a form first, since you can only embed a form that exists in your list. Find the form you want to use and open its Actions menu. This menu sits alongside the form name and houses all the options for sharing and managing the form. Choose Share to bring up HubSpot's sharing options. This window is designed to give you different ways to distribute your form, but for placing it on your website, you'll want the Embed option. Select Embed Code. HubSpot will display a short HTML and JavaScript snippet that renders your form on any web page. The beauty here is that HubSpot hosts the form and handles the logic, validation, and CRM tracking behind the scenes, so you don't need to code anything manually. If you're planning to style the form further, you can add CSS in your site later, but the default embed will work right away. Click Copy to put the embed code on your clipboard. Now paste it into your website where you want the form to appear. In a content management system like WordPress, use a custom HTML block and paste the code into the editor. In site builders such as Squarespace or Webflow, add an embed or HTML element and paste it there. On a custom site, place the snippet directly in the page's HTML at the desired section. Make sure the page allows scripts to run and that you publish or update the page after pasting. Once it's live, load the page and do a quick test submission. Confirm that you see the submission inside HubSpot and that any notifications or workflows you've set up are triggering. If something doesn't display, check for ad blockers, caching, or script restrictions, and ensure you're serving the page over HTTPS for best performance and trust. That's it. You open the user guide, went to Forms, use the Actions menu to share, grab the embed code, copied it, and pasted it onto your website. You now have a live HubSpot form feeding data straight into your CRM.